Why does your scanner show the P245D engine code? What does it mean? P245D is a diagnostic trouble code for EGR Cooler Bypass Control Circuit, High Bank 1. The P245D engine code for indicate your vehicle's engine control module, ECM, or powertrain control module has detected a higher than expected voltage or electrical resistance in the circuit that controls the EGR cooler bypass valve. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Short circuit in the wiring. Defective bypass valve solenoid. Corroded or eroded electrical connectors. Heavy carbon buildup. Faulty ECM or PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Mercedes-Benz, Nissan, Subaru, and Audi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.